Did you know that the average person takes over 25,000 photos in their lifetime? But how many of those photos truly capture the beauty of a moment? Today, we're diving into the world of travel photography. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your skills, this video is for you. Travel photography is not just about snapping pictures, it's about telling a story. And who doesn't want to share stunning images from their adventures? Let's explore some secrets that will help you take breathtaking travel photos. First, let's talk about the importance of light. Natural light can make or break your photos. The golden hour, which is the hour after sunrise and before sunset, offers the best lighting. During this time, the light is soft and warm, creating a magical atmosphere. Try to plan your shoots around these times for the best results. Next, consider your composition. The rule of thirds is a great starting point. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Place your subject along these lines or at their intersections for a more balanced photo. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles. Get low to the ground or find a higher vantage point. Sometimes, a simple change in perspective can transform an ordinary shot into something extraordinary. Now, let's discuss the importance of storytelling. Every photo should tell a story or evoke an emotion. Think about what you want to convey. Is it the joy of a local festival? The serenity of a quiet beach? Capture the details that help tell that story. Close-ups of local food, the expressions of people, or the textures of a landscape can add depth to your images. Next, let's talk about gear. You don't need the most expensive camera to take great photos. A smartphone can do wonders if you know how to use it. Learn about your camera settings, whether it's a DSLR or a phone. Understanding how to adjust exposure, focus, and white balance can significantly improve your shots. Also, consider using a tripod. It helps stabilize your camera, especially in low light situations. Now, let's move on to editing. Editing is where you can enhance your photos and bring your vision to life. There are many user-friendly apps available, like Lightroom or Snapseed. Adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation can make a big difference. But remember, less is often more. Don't over-edit your photos, keep them looking natural. Another tip is to connect with locals. Engaging with the people in the places you visit can lead to unique photo opportunities. Ask for permission before taking portraits, and be respectful of their space. You might discover hidden gems or local events that aren't in the guidebooks. Let's not forget about the importance of patience. Sometimes, the best shots come when you least expect them. Wait for the right moment, whether it's a person walking into your frame or the perfect cloud formation. Be ready to capture the unexpected. Lastly, always be prepared. Carry extra batteries and memory cards. You never know when a stunning scene will present itself. And don't forget to enjoy the moment. Sometimes, the best memories are made when you put the camera down and soak it all in. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Share your favorite travel photography tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember, every photo is a chance to tell a story. So grab your camera and start capturing the world around you.